In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to share Figma files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, find the sharing controls, copy a shareable link, and choose the right access settings for your audience so your work stays both accessible and secure. Start by opening your Figma project. You can use the desktop app or a browser. Sign in, navigate to your team or drafts, and open the specific file you want to share. Confirm you're on the correct page or frame you intend others to see. It also helps to verify your own role. If you're a viewer, you might not be able to adjust permissions, so make sure you have the rights to share or coordinate with someone who does. Now, look to the top right corner of the Figma interface and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, which is your control center for who can access the file and what they're allowed to do. Keep this panel open while you decide how broadly you want to distribute your work. Inside the sharing panel, you'll see a link field. Click Copy Link to grab a URL you can paste into email, chat, or your project management tool. Before you send it, take a quick look at the link's access setting. This is crucial. If you're sharing for review, set it to view or comment only so people can look and leave feedback without changing anything. If a teammate needs to co-edit, choose Edit. When you're unsure, keep things tight and invite only specific people. This reduces the risk of your file being forwarded beyond your intended audience. Within this same panel, you can also choose different ways to share your project. Invite teammates directly by entering their work emails, then assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles based on what they need to do. You can restrict access, so only invited people in your organization can open the file, or relax it so anyone with the link can view, which is helpful for quick external reviews. If you're sharing a prototype, you can share from the prototype context so viewers land in the interactive flow rather than the raw design canvas. To point people to a specific section, select a frame before opening the share panel. The link will open right where you want them to look. Consider enabling comments for stakeholders and disabling downloads if you need tighter control over assets. Match settings to your audience. Clients typically get view or comment, collaborators get edit, and broader audiences should stay as restricted as possible. Once your settings look right, copy the link and send it through your preferred channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.